Happy morning friends, I am very much excited to be here with you to share story of an apple. You know, the first apple, that is Adam's apple, it's called as divine apple. And the second apple is the Newton's apple, and maybe it's called as a knowledge apple. And the third apple is a technology apple, that is the third apple generation. We are put forward for the fourth apple generation, and we recommended here the Montessori education system as the better solution or the finest education program across the world, and especially in the particular time of the lockdown. We are at home, where Dr. Maria Montessori, the founder of Montessori education program or the Montessori education method, she developed her own method. It's called Montessori education. She started a school there in Italy, in Rome, 1907, and she titled the school as Casa dei Bambini, that means House of Children. The prime focus of the school or Casa dei Bambini is the follow the child. We have to follow the child, not to the teachers. There is no teacher. Every child in the Casa dei Bambini or a Montessori learning environment, they are studying in a principle of self-learning, and the teachers are called as Montessori directors. Only their duty is to make a prepared environment, that is Casa dei Bambini, House of Children, the largest network of schooling system across the world, and where we can make our home as a good learning environment, or we can set our home as a prepared learning environment, a Montessori environment. In these coming videos, coming episode, we are planning to teach you each and every minute aspects of real and pure Montessori system based on the handbook written by Maria Montessori itself, Maria Montessori's own handbook. We are following this Maria Montessori's own handbook, and every day you will get a lesson from this to turn our house into a larger learning environment, especially when we are using lot of screen times, online educations, online programs and all, that may be dangerously affecting our children. You know, the Montessori apparatus are the real solution for the screen-free parenting. Without using screen or without using the technology, through the real learning materials or apparatus, we can learn everything to a child. Montessori is not a curriculum, it's not a syllabus, but it's a method. Whatever in the world we can teach through Montessori method. That is the finest education all across the world. That is a proven education program, and so this is a right time we have to reinventing education to Montessori system. And also we have to reinvent Montessori system because the major Montessori environments or major Montessori schools are not according to the Montessori principles of philosophy. That's why the World Montessori Council is propagating the Montessori system in a program. It's called Applied Montessori Education Program, where we have to apply the basic principles and philosophies of Montessori in our real life. So let's watch our program, and that is telecasted by the World Montessori Council as part of the observation of 115th year of Dr. Maria Montessori's education contribution. World Montessori Council made a very good initiative to spread Montessori system in an online learning platform using this type of YouTube or other medias. We have to propagate the education system as part of propagating the Montessori education, that is the birthright of our child. Let us reinvent Montessori in this fourth apple generation. Now we are in the fourth apple generation, fourth apple age. First apple, Adam's apple, second one, Newton's apple, third one, technology apple, fourth apple, that we are in the time of artificial intelligence or machine learning. We have to reinvent the education system through the Montessori way of education. That's why we are put forwarding as the fourth apple generation, as it's our duty to change the education system in an upside down. We have to back to education system, and we have to pave our generation. Thank you.